If you want to integrate with external platforms, do take a look at the integration section because a lot of integrations already took place and are natively built into our platform. Just go to the left-hand menu and press integrations. And from here, you will see all available integrations. For phone numbers, you can select your provider like Twilio, SignalWire, 360 Dialog, WA and Message Media, and you can see precisely what each provider provides. So some provide voice bots, SMS bots, and WhatsApp bots, and others provide only a few of these features. If you want to add any of these towards your account, you can just press the blue button configure and then follow the steps. If we go towards the Stripe integration, you will be able to connect your Stripe account to this individual workspace. It will allow you to set up buy buttons inside of your flows and receive the payment directly through the chatbot. Same goes with PayPal. We also have an integration with Cloudinary, and these are the requested items that you need to insert to connect towards your account. You can also sync orders and products from Shopify. Currently, this integration is inside of beta, and a new mini app is actually being built for this integration. So you can either skip this or test it out. A native integration with Calendly is also supported. Do note that a free account does not work as efficient as the Pro version. We also have integrations with Slack, Zapier, Integromat, Pabbly, Integrately, Video SDK, which allows you to set up online meetings within just a few clicks directly inside of your chatbot. Dialogflow, a fantastic way to improve the understanding of a user's context and provide smarter answers. Google Sheets integration. We also have an email integration, which currently supports SMTP profile, Gmail, and SendGrid. Amongst the others tab, you will also have Soho, MailChimp, and Australian Property Report. These are all native integrations, which may be expanded over time, but most new integrations will be built with the mini app feature.